Welcome. I see you found your way into my humble dwelling, and like most people who cross this threshold, I see you have many questions. By entering this space, this sacred space, this humble shack, this dwelling of mine, you have consented, of course, to a decision, a choice, and the nature of choice in this world of ours. Because there's really no decision at all. You already know what you're going to do. You see, there are opposing forces. Without femininity, you couldn't have masculinity. Without kindness, you couldn't have cruelty. And without darkness, you certainly couldn't have light. Once you've taken a little sip of this splendid brew, it smells quite delicious. The world will never look quite the same again. And as I explained to you, you never really had a choice. You seem a little reluctant, a little fearful. Now your expression has changed. You seem almost afeared. That naughty word, fear. Fear the mind killer. Fear the anesthetic of bravery. Cowardice, that turgid slick that contains the mind. Perhaps you need a little encouragement. Perhaps you need my nieces to massage you gently into doing the right thing, because sometimes people make very silly decisions. Ladies, make it a little easier for her. Don't be flustered. It's okay. It's just a drizzle. Just a moment. Let it cross your buds. It'll just be a moment.